If two cats grow up together since they were kittens, especially in the same house, there's a high chance they'll become a bonded pair. They start grooming each other, they play together, they mess around, just for fun. And sometimes, they can even get anxious if they're separated for too long. Cats that have a constant companion often seem more emotionally stable and more socially active. But here's the thing. Not all cats are meant to be paired. Some cats actually get stressed if they're forced to live together. So yeah, some cats become best friends for life, and some cats just want personal space.